Hi, I'm Rachel Greenway. I am a 23-year-old photographer based out of Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. When I first started my photography business about 4 years ago, I spent every waking moment educating myself, building my brand, marketing my business, and just trying to grow as an artist and as a photographer. Over the years, trying my hand at different types of photography, I have really learned that I'm not truly happy unless I am photographing things that really mean something to somebody. When I see a mother interacting with her child or a family in a quiet, intimate moment, that is where I've learned that I have chosen the right career and that this is a career that I can grow and be happy with for my entire life. I am so excited to be applying for the Sony Alpha Female Program because I know this is exactly the jumpstart I need to start specializing in the photography that truly inspires me and truly warms my heart. So thank you.